Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So make a ponytail and then make the plaits on small section of the hairs from the left side to the right side. Roll it like this and fix them all the hairs in the same manner as shown in the video. Fix it till the end and tie it and it's ready. Next, take the hairs on the back and make the plaits on it. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now tie all the hairs together and divide it from the between. Now roll it upward and fix it using the hairpin like this. Fix it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to keep the hairs aside. Now tie all the hairs on the back and then rotate it. Now take the hairs and then roll it like this. Now take another section of the hairs from the other side and roll it and fix it on the back. And your hairstyle will be ready once you divide it from the between and fold it upward. And it's done. Tie half of the hairs, pull out the hairs from the sides like this. Now take all the hairs and make the plaits on it. Pull out the hairs from the sides in small section. Now roll it upward and fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs and make the plaits on the back like this. Now fold it upward and fix it using the hairpins like this. Put the hairpin. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie it like this and put the bun pin on the right side like this and fix it and your hairstyle is ready. Take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. After that, divide the hairs into two parts and make the plaits on it like this. Now after making the plaits, we will fold it upward and fix it like this. Fold it as shown in the video and fix it on the top. Next, tie the hairs on the top and then take the hairs from the sides and fix it in the between by rolling it out like this. Fix it using the hair clips. Now tie the plaits and fold it upward and fix it using the bun pin and your bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now take small section of the hairs using the hairstyling tool, roll it upward like this and fix it. Now tie the plaits in the between, fold it upward and fix it like this using the hairpin and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to apply the cream on the hairs to set it like this. Condition it like this. Now tie all the hairs using a rubber band. Now take the hairs and fix it in the between after rotating it like this. After rotating the hairs, tie it from the between and fix the hairs inside the space and then fold it and fix it on the right side on the top using the hairpins. And your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, make a ponytail and divide the hairs from the between. Tie it as shown in the video. Now rotate it. After rotating the hairs, we will fold it upward and fix it like this after dividing it like this. Roll it and fix it using the bun pin on the top and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs from the sides and then rotate it. Now tie all the hairs together, divide it from the between and then fold it upward using this hairs like this. Fix it using the bun pin on the top, fix it on the rubber band and fix it the hairs like this. And your hair bun is ready. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to take this bun stick, fix the hairs in the between and then roll it upward like this, fold it tightly, fix it from the sides, force it like this and place it. And your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching our video.